Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Tesla Model 3. There's a long range. Absolutely love the honeycomb under these trunks. It does have the aerodynamic wheels on it, the panoramic glass roof. And I love this metallic red color. Absolutely gorgeous. It's looking like that hood's just maybe a little bit off kilter. There are adjustments right there under the front, little rubber adjustments that you can adjust. Kind of similar to a washing machine foot. And that'll be easy for them to remedy. So by the time you see it, it'll be square. It does have the vegan Tesla leather interior, all black. There's your Model 3 branding. There's your VIN. Okay, let's go ahead and hop in. Here's your control for your stereo volume and such, and your other toggle switch. I'm also going to turn this down as well as having turned the music down. There we go. Alright. There's your music. So, a lot of fun. And here is your navigation screen. Also going to bounce through a few of these quick controls as well. If you feel like I'm going too fast, there are also tutorials on YouTube you can watch on this model. There are your lights, your locks, display, your driving. Steering mode, right now it's for comfort. I like mine on sport, but we'll leave it on there. Your autopilot is engaged. Right now it has Autosteer and Navigate on autopilot. Both of them are the beta versions. I like to have my follow distance a little bit further back than most. There's your navigation settings, your safety and security, your service, and your software. This is an important screen because it tells you that you have a Model 3 long range. Your mileage is 12,821. There's your VIN and your additional information. It does have the premium audio system, and the 2.5 autopilot computer, garage door opener, the HomeLink 5, and you also have enhanced autopilot is included, and your standard connectivity also. So you can also go to your backup camera, your energy usage map, your charging right now has 252 miles left on it. Your entertainment, you have to connect for your theater, but your arcade is good to go. There's your toy box. So, go ahead and close that up. Here is your charging port for your phone and your additional stowage for your glove compartment. And you've got your cup holder, your armrest, and of course you have this absolutely massive ceiling here, the glass ceiling. Very, very cool. And I'm noticing that these are a bit dirty, so we'll have detailing look into that. So make sure that you check with your salesperson to make sure that that has happened. This particular vehicle has a branded title. Had an impact here on the front and on the back. It's turned out to just be cosmetic. So we're able to get them fixed up. You can see here it has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. We are the largest Tesla reseller in the area, so for more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.